Hi guys, I am a Protected Beautifully and Wonderfully Made, and today I'm going to show you the difference between adhesive and HTV. I know I have a lot of followers who are new to Cricut and don't know the difference, so I just wanted to give a short little tutorial. So we have here, you see it's shiny. Sorry it's all bent up, but this here is adhesive. This is HTV. So how you can tell the difference between adhesive and HTV is adhesive always have a paper backing. Like this one is Starcraft Adhesive and it has the blocks on the back. It has a paper backing. The HTV, it doesn't have a paper backing. And it's like HTV has like a kind of like a flimsy feel to it, and adhesive is paper. So another name for adhesive is also called 651 vinyl or 631. I'm trying to think about the name. 651, 631 adhesives. Sometimes they call it outdoor vinyl. It depends on what you're using. So this one specifically is an outdoor vinyl. It's also called adhesive, and it's also called 651 vinyl. So this vinyl can be used for car decals. It can be used if you're doing like signs. What else it can be used for? It can anything permanent. This is permanent vinyl. Now 631, I don't have any of that right now, but it looks just like the 651, but it's 631, and it's not a permanent vinyl. So you'll use 631 adhesive inside the house. So if you're doing like wall decals or anything where you want to remove the vinyl afterwards, then you will use 631. But most people use 651, like if you're doing let's see, like I said, if you're doing car decals, if you're doing like a sign, or if you're doing like how people like to do the porch signs, they will use 651. Some people use stencil vinyl, but a lot of people use 651 adhesive. What else? Like when people do the tiles, they use adhesive. Now the HTV, which is also known as heat transfer vinyl, that's what HTV stands for, heat transfer vinyl. This is actually Siser Easyweed, my favorite brand. There's different kind of brands, but Siser Easyweed is my favorite brand. But this is the Siser Easyweed vinyl. You can use it on t-shirts. You have to use a heat press, or if you have what is the other one? Heat press. What's the Cricut one called? A Cricut Easy Press. Some people use an iron, but it's better if you use a heat press or a Cricut Easy Press. But you can use it on t-shirts, pillows, anything like fabric material. You can use heat transfer vinyl. So you can use it on wood, but we're not even gonna go there yet, because if you're just learning the difference between the two, we're not gonna go there yet. So this is heat transfer vinyl. So I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the two. So heat transfer has a flimsy feel. 651 is paper. It has a paper backing. And with the 651 vinyl and the 631 adhesive vinyl, you have to use transfer tape. With the HTV, the shiny part, it actually already had like a transfer on the front. So if you want to know how to use either the HTV or the 651, comment below and let me know, and I'll make another video. So if you have any questions, just comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you for crafting with April.